Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be driving through True Valley Town Center. It's one of the newer malls in Jamaica, but it's a very successful mall. Very successful. Now it's built on Constant Spring Road and we are on Constant Spring Road now in the Manor Park area, leaving from the Manor Park area heading towards the True Valley Town Center. Now, that new plaza follows the formula to a T. It has a large brand name supermarket. It has food stores like Domino's, On Court, Cafe Blue, Wendy's, Devon House Ice Cream. So it has the food stores covered. It has an Indian restaurant, it has a Chinese restaurant, and it's built in a populated area. So once you cover those three things, your plaza is going to do well. So we're going to take a tour. On the right is the Constant Spring Police Station. We are on Constant Spring Road. And straight ahead, that tall building you can see, that is the plaza. So if you turn right here, you're going into the not Grand Spen. Well, that name slipped me, but it soon come back to me. Okay, on the left is a food place called Pepper Time. On the right, you have Juicy Patties. On the left now is the entrance to Immaculate High School and the Constant Spring Golf Course, and also Pepper Time. On the right is the Constant Spring Tax Office and the Constant Spring Post Office. Straight ahead on the left, that green roof, that's a church, and then on the left behind the church is the True Valley Town Center. Okay, so the delivery trucks would use the entrance there on the left. Their supermarket over here is called Fresh Value. And why do I keep calling this thing True Value? The name is Super Value. Sorry about that, guys. The name is Super Value Town Center. It's associated with the True Value, but the name of it is Super Value Town Center. Okay, so straight ahead, that's the entrance to the supermarket. And over here now you can see all the food stores. You have the Wendy's, the Domino's, Golden Fountain, Malassa Walk, Cafe Blue, On Court, among many other stores. Many other stores. Very successful plaza. I'm just going to spin around one more time. So if we go straight, there's a bakery up there, and that's the entrance to the supermarket there. Alright, so we came in through one entrance, but there is another entrance down here. And you can see the large parking space. And as we get into the Christmas season, these plazas get even more packed up. Or I shouldn't say packed up, get busier. Alright, so we're going to exit back out onto Constant Spring Road now. Actually, I think we should start doing some of the tours of these plazas at night so that you can see how they're so nicely decorated for the Christmas season. So this is Constant Spring Road now. And Constant Spring Road is most famous because it has more plazas on it than any other road in Jamaica. And some of the most successful plazas in Jamaica are on this road. When you hear names like Tropical Plaza, Mall Plaza, they're all off this road. Pavilion, Springs, Super Value, Manor Park Plaza, Manor Center. Very popular names. And that's just a few. There are so many more. This is another plaza on the left now. I don't remember the name of it, but so on the left now is a new Scotiabank branch. Okay, like some construction going on the right. Most interesting how they just block off the road. And they have police out there, so I guess it's properly supervised. That's the new NCB branch on the left. Alright, so we're now coming up to an area called Mary Brown's Corner. On the right is the Texaco Mary Brown's Corner. Okay, so at this intersection now you turn right, you go on to Mannings Hill Road, and that will take you into the Havendale area. We're going to continue straight and stay on Constant Spring Road. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of the video and if you have anything to add. Alright guys, have a good day.